how do you fight the theme park blues? We've got some pretty awesome tips and tricks for you guys that'll get you along into your next trip. That's enough of me. Let's get started. What's up, guys? Welcome back to your next attraction. I'm Manny.
And I'm Alesha.
Today we want to talk to you about something that is near and dear to us, but also something that you guys are definitely going to understand, especially if you're theme park enthusiasts like us. Of course, we are talking about missing your favorite places on Earth, aka having the theme park blues. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, follow for more awesome content. All right, so the very first tip that we want to share with you guys is something that we also love doing. In between your trips or your next visit to Universal Studios, Disney, or any other theme park for that matter, something that will get you along and kind of keep the magic alive is being able to watch content online related to your favorite theme park.
Kind of like you're doing right now.
Exactly. That includes point of views for rides, YouTubers like us. On top of that, being able to do ambience videos, walkthrough videos. There's so much content available online right now that you'll be able to look at things related to all these wonderful theme parks, and it'll just make you feel better.
It'll help get you through the day. For sure. Another thing that I know I personally really like to do, I love to join different theme park fan groups on Facebook. And there's even pages on Instagram. What I love about those is it gives you a community of people who are all vacationing to your favorite places like Disney and Universal at different times. So when you're not there, you can kind of live vicariously through other people, which is amazing. I love doing that. Some of those groups, for instance, you might know of the Disney World Junkies, Universal Orlando pass holders. There's also groups that just get together and craft for the different parks. Universally Crafted, which crafts for both Disney and Universal. It's really a great way to just kind of get in touch with a community that is really going through it too most of the time as well.
Another great way to fight those theme park blues is organize your travel photos, but not only organize them into an album, try to make maybe a scrapbook, something like this. Now, this is something that I purchased for Alesha for Valentine's Day because she's my sweetheart. But on top of that, I purchased it because, of course, as you see on the cover, it says, "You are my greatest adventure." I bought it on purpose in order to put down our photos, anything in relation to the parks, so that we can kind of craft it as we're going along. Maybe throw on one of your favorite YouTubers or throw on something related to ambience, whether it's Universal or Disney, while you're scrapbooking. But the point is to be able to organize your photos, because as you look through, you kind of get that nostalgia back, and I think that's really cool.
Another thing is actually something that Manny and I are doing right now. You can see it, our theme park merch. We love to just bust this out, wear it around, wear it on the weekends, wear it around the house. I work from home, so I can pretty much wear whatever I want during the day. Some mornings I just wake up, maybe I'm missing the parks a little extra, throw on my park merch, sit down with my park cup. I have a bunch of Disney cups, I even have a couple of Universal cups. And there's just something about having that merch when you're home and you're sad and you're missing the parks that really can brighten your day.
So true. While you have on that park merch like we do right now, another thing that you can do in order to fight those theme park blues would be to throw on your favorite park films. For instance, I'm wearing my Jurassic Park long sleeve. You know your boy's gonna throw on Jurassic Park. Throw it in the background, whether you're working, whether you're just at home, maybe doing nothing or cleaning, throwing on in the background. Try to focus on it if you can, because they're great films. Obviously, you love the rides, you love the parks. That'll just add to that magic, add to that nostalgia. It'll really make you feel a little like you're back in the parks.
One of my probably favorite things to do between trips, especially when I'm missing the parks, is to plan our next trip. What I like to do is I like to sit down and do research. I like to look at the different food at the different locations that maybe I haven't eaten at before. Check out the merch, because usually there's always different videos online or in Facebook groups even where people are sharing what the current merch is in the parks, maybe being able to plan out what I'm hoping to buy on my next trip. Also just researching into the parks a little bit more, researching the rides. I'm a Disney girl. So many of the rides there have such good history, backstory, and there's a lot of good details and information out there that makes the next time you're in the parks that much more magical, because you're thinking about all those things that you now know, those fun facts, when you're actually riding the rides that you already love.
As I mentioned earlier about watching your favorite films based on not only merch, but of course the theme park rides and the park itself, you can also do a themed night. Now, what does this look like? Well, it could look like a lot of different things. You're gonna wanna make sure to check Etsy, places like Pinterest for ideas, Google, do your research, plan a theme night. As we are big time Harry Potter fans, of course we love the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. We are looking to do a Harry Potter movie movie night, including food and a bunch of cool things.
And make sure that you stay tuned because, as he said, we're gonna have a Harry Potter night and it's gonna be really soon, and I can't wait to share it with you guys in a video. Sort of building off of that, this goes really hand in hand with having those theme nights. But when you're actually at the parks, we all have those treats, the candies, the snacks that we really love from the parks that you can only get there. Make sure, if it's possible, to take it back, whether you're flying or driving, get some extra. When you get home, put it up so you're not eating it all like the week you get back. You put them up, then when you're really missing the parks, you'll remember that you have them and you'll be able to just sit down and enjoy that. And they go well with the movie night, they go well with the theme night. It definitely helps.
But if you're not able to bring home your favorite snacks, you can always hit places up like Five Below. We went there recently. We were actually shocked to have found a little section dedicated to Harry Potter themed snacks. So make sure to look at places like that, places like Target, Walmart, or if all else fails, jump on Amazon because I'm pretty sure you're gonna be able to find it there. That's it for us, guys. I hope these tips and tricks helped you guys fight those theme park blues like they help us fight them whenever we are in between our trips. Make sure to like, subscribe, follow, and share. If you have any other tips or tricks related fighting the theme park blues, or if you have an idea on how to fight the theme park blues, mention it in the comments below. We would love to hear back from you guys. As always, we will see you in the next video.